Hello everyone, today is Monday, November 5th. It's 3:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 35 minutes before the regular session close. You can see my computer clock here, the date and time, and on my right is my time at sales. This time I'm showing the Nasdaq at 3:26 p.m. here. You can see trading at 69.30, 69.32 approximately. And so first up, a great day for the auto trader. First up is the Nasdaq on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart. The Nasdaq has become one of our best markets to trade. I'm going to say almost as good as the DAX, if not as good as the DAX. This chart here started off with a small loser and drew down about $300. So the max drawdown on this was $150 per contract. And then it came back up, and within 2 hours of trading hit our daily goal. Our goal on this is 1500 or 1510. I revised the goal on this as I noticed that it often made about $750 per contract and then sometimes ran into some noise, as you can see here. So the power hours, as what I call it, the power hour, from the first 2 hours of trading, are often the best times to trade. But there's definitely tradable moves as the day is really divided up into three sections. There's the open, there's midday, and then there's the hours before the close. So this is definitely a tradable move here. But nevertheless, this hit its goal and had one tick positive slippage. Nasdaq has been showing really well with the auto trader. Okay, next up is the Nasdaq on a 987 Heikin-Ashi chart, and kind of similar trading here. It drew down a little bit more, about 300 per contract or 600, but then came back and hit its goal here a little bit earlier because of probably these two back-to-back trades. And our goal on this one is 1550, so this one was just shy of its goal. The big winner for the day was the DAX on the Super Renko 16 tick. And this did 34.62. I think our goal on this one is 3,500. And so this definitely hit its goal and had some slippage. Was able to absorb a couple of losers here. And then it came back with these three winners back to back. Really nicely placed trades here. Filled on our limit order and did 34.62 on two contracts. Okay, this is the DAX on a 233 Heikin-Ashi, and this had an equity high of over $1,500, and that was about at the 11 o'clock hour, and then got hit with these two losers and basically wiped out all the gains for the day and finished at minus 225. So once again, your daily goal consideration of when to stop trading is really important. Here I have it at 25.50, which it often hits. Nevertheless, it made an equity high of 1,500 today. Okay, next up is the DAX on a Super Renko 6 tick. This was moderately active here. It didn't draw down, have a negative drawdown. It made an equity high of about 2,000 within the first 45 minutes of trading, and then it drew down about half of that, but then came back up and hit its goal, which is 2240 for the day. And so just a couple hundred shy of its goal, had to go through all this, but finally came back and hit its goal and finished at 2237.50 for the day. Okay, the Nasdaq on a Super Renko 14 tick with a $2,000 goal had three winners and one loser. Negligible drawdown here, but hit its goal of 2,000, finishing at 1950. And if I scrunch the chart up, you can see that was early on. So this Super Renko 14 tick being one of the most consistent DAX charts. Okay, the DAX on a 3-minute chart took it on the chin here pretty bad, drew down $2,500, and our goal on this is 5,500 with a loss limit of 43. So we didn't get stopped out, but it remarkably recovered from this. So it went from 2,500 to finishing at 1387 for the day, and at least it finished in positive territory. Okay, the Emini S&P on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart. This is trading 3 contracts. It had 2 trades back to back and hit its goal of 1300 and probably had some slippage right here. Okay, our ES on a regular 5 Renko chart, also a chart that we see almost every day, is trading 3 contracts and did 1262 for the day, and our goal on this is 1325. So we probably hit our goal and had some slippage down here. But very nicely placed trades, and you can see our higher time frame blocked out this potential long position here. Okay, the crude oil on a precision Renko 8 150 chart had a small loser here and then 3 winners in a row and did 1040 for the day. Our goal on this is 1030, so 1 tick of positive slippage. This is trading 2 contracts. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick with a Super Renko 6 higher time frame had 2 winners back to back, long and a short, and with our higher time frame filter here, you can see the potential short trades being filtered out. And this did 1125 for the day. Our goal on this is 1050, so we had nice positive slippage on this chart. Okay, the Super Renko 8 tick on the crude oil with our line break logic did 1030, and our goal on this is 1020, so 1 tick of positive slippage. This is trading 2 contracts. Okay, the DAX on a 34 tick line break chart with a higher time frame filter of Super Renko 8 has a goal of 1000 and did 937.50, so probably some slippage on this chart, but hitting its goal. Okay, the ES on a Super Renko 4 tick, this is trading 2 contracts. This drew down about 250 per contract, or 500, and went sideways for most of the session, and then came up with this nice winning trade here at the 10:30 hour and hit its goal of 1000, and we probably had slippage at the end here to end at 912.50. Okay, the ES on a 987 Heikin-Ashi chart did 750 today, and it drew down about 200 per contract, but then recovered and finished at 750. It made an equity high of a little over 1000, and our goal on this is 2200. Okay, next we have the Emini S&P on just a regular 5-minute chart, and there was 2 trades here, a loser which drew us down about $700 or $350 a contract, and then came back with this really nice winner to finish at plus 600 for the day. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.